The flashlight BB cannon starts with a mini mag-lite flashlight. This was chosen because of the strong body and seals. We'll unscrew the end cap and take the batteries out, and we'll unscrew the focusing ring and reflector. I removed the small spring from the end cap and also the spare bulb. And the bulb's got to come out along with the little plastic holder inside. That'll leave us with a solid hollow body. Then a quick stop at the hardware store where I picked up this round brass tube which has a 5.5mm inside diameter. I also picked up a nylon spacer that the tube will fit in, and made sure it was just small enough to fit inside of our flashlight body. I also grabbed a standard tire valve, which I ended up removing all of the plastic, just revealing the brass valve and tube. And to round up my $3 purchase, this small rubber stopper. This will act as the piston. Now out to the garage where I drilled a small hole in the end cap, large enough for the tire valve to fit in snugly. We'll be gluing that in place, so I had some 2-part epoxy that I'll be using for this entire project. It's time to put it all together. After shortening the brass tube, I inserted it in the body of the flashlight, then through the larger hole, I drilled in the reflector and tightened up the focusing ring. The brass barrel is now in place with a liberal amount of epoxy. The rubber stopper has been trimmed and we'll put it in the flashlight. This will block all the air going to the barrel. And finally, the end cap is screwed in place real tight. The flashlight BB cannon is done. Now we'll be using a high-pressure sport pump. To test it, I attached it to the tire valve and pumped it to about 50 psi. The pin in the valve is our trigger. It works as planned. Now to pump it up again and add our ammo, a standard BB. Drop it in the barrel and we're ready to test it out. Whoa, with 100 psi, it easily punctures a soda can. I'll always use this outside with eye protection. And that's how to make the flashlight BB cannon. Click the box on the left to go to my channel or the box on the right for more cool shooting things. Thanks for watching, have fun, and be safe.